The iPhone 16 Pro series is poised to offer significant enhancements. Expected upgrades include larger screens for both the Pro and Pro Max models, with the Pro likely to feature a 6.3-inch display and the Pro Max a 6.9-inch one. Camera technology may see major improvements, including a 48-megapixel main sensor with advanced features and a tetraprism zoom lens for superior optical zoom. The Pro Max model might also introduce a super telephoto periscope camera for unprecedented zoom capabilities. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip, based on a 3-nanometer process, is expected to power these models, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. To address overheating, a new graphene thermal system and a metal battery casing are rumored, ensuring better heat management. Connectivity improvements include the potential use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for superior 5G performance. Design-wise, there's talk of a vertical camera layout and the addition of a new capture button. Apple is expected to continue its tradition of unveiling its flagship iPhones in September, with the iPhone 16 Pro series likely following suit in 2024.